Well, first off, I'm glad we started out here because this is really kind of where it all begins.
Camera speeds, audio speeding. All right, we're good.
We don't wear suits or drive flashy cars.
There's really not any easy job here. It's all hot in the summer and it's cold in the winter.
We're not all that fancy. We don't have all the glitz and glamour, but we run.
It's the teamwork. It's the aspect of everybody coming together, different mindset, different backgrounds, and putting out one solid end product.
How could it be better than that?
Good morning and welcome, everyone.
This is my home, 10 East Broad Estates.
It's a lot of love and a lot of giving hands here.
I think it's very important to live what you love and love what you do.
We all have a passion for what we do. I think our clients see that.
The people are just exceptional to work with. That's something that's unique about the forestry industry.
Timber growing is long-term farming. We're not deforesting the world. We're simply growing a crop on a 30-year rotation.
If you look at it from the green perspective, nothing goes to waste here.
We're answering to society's values while we're managing this beautiful resource.
We hope that you see a little more of what we're a part of and our responsibility to our world.
That was easy.
I know.
I thought this was going to be hard.